Okay, I've seen a few posts on Facebook and the like saying that there's no tutorials for planetary landings. It's not that much different to landings on pads, whether it's in a station or on a platform. But I'll put together this little video and we'll see what's going on. If you have just got a Sidewinder and you've used space on it, you might have got rid of one module which is absolutely needed. It's the planetary approach suite, and the planetary approach suite is necessary for planetary landings. But all ships come with it. I usually get rid of mine until I need it, or until I forget about it, which I have done in the past. So now this is where we were all basically set up for planetary landings. We need to find a planet to land on just to test it out. System map.
Displaying map.
Right, you will see here the differences between the systems. If it's got a blue line round it, it's landable. If it's got a blue line and sticky out bits, it's got stations on it. Base stations. So let's have a look at this. And we'll find there's a base station, and let's land on there. Oh dearie me. My game is, I don't know why, but it keeps charging up on me. Oh dearie me. Never mind. Right, okay. I hate it when something dings and you don't know why. So we're heading for there. So let's get out. I'm not gonna show you how to fly, but we'll stick the ship in the air and then I'll pause the video. Busy little station this, Slough Orbital. Home of the Hammers of Slough. And also a tourist hub. Well, Lord knows why. Landing gear.
Landing gear retracted.
Okay. So okay, we're heading for Watson Holdings on that body. I'll now pause the video and come back when we're approaching the planet itself. Okay, we're now approaching the body, and I've slowed down to probably about 60–70% throttle. Because as you're approaching, you want to A, find out if it's on the right side of the planet that you're approaching from.
Message from Khalil Shiraz. I
Identifying
found my
threat.
next target and it's you. Targeting locked by Khalil Shiraz ship federal dropship. Interdicted.
Runaway mode.
Scan detected.
Message from Khalil Shiraz. I hope you have something good in your hold.
I've got nothing in my hold.
French drive charging.
If you drop straight away, your FSD charges quicker.
Entering super cruise.
Boost a couple of times, and you just get away. No big deal. Trouble is, if you accelerate too much, you then get into the gravity well. So you've got to loop round. My bad. But never mind, nothing's lost. Nothing has disappeared from sight. And there's Watson Holdings. Still going too quickly though. Ah, right, that's where it is, don't you? The position you want to know. So watch the compass.
Approaching body Vesper Dash M43.
There we want to go, and we want to come in like at 45 degrees, which is about say about this, 30 to 45 degrees. If it's on the dark side, you use night vision.
Orbital flight
Nearly
engaged.
body Vesper Dash
There
and
you go,
4-3.
orbital flight engaged, you heard the message. And we're heading straight for Watson Holdings. You can see, I'll flip it like that, you can see various settings on the right hand side. You've got the height, which is 1870, or it was, and 3 other things with the 2 coordinates on the planet's surface and the gravity. Make sure the gravity is not that high, especially if you're inexperienced. Right, we're coming into Watson Holdings. You'll go into glide in a minute. Honestly, it will.
Approaching
dropping
body
from
Vesper
orbital
Dash
cruise.
and 4-3.
Now into glide. And very soon you'll come out of glide. Either that or you just raise your nose, but trust it. And then you go into normal space. And then you can boost and what out to get closer. It's now like any other station. You ask for permission, it gives you a landing pad, and you land on the landing pad. Exactly the same way as you would normally.
Warning. You have entered a trespass zone.
Request docking.
Request for docking sent.
Why won't you let me land?
Under attack.
Watch out
Oh,
after
that was
under attack.
obviously not a good point. I thought it could land at Watson Holdings, but apparently not. My bad. So okay, let's just land on the planet then. Thing is, with the crate, you've got a decent view down below. So let's have a look. Landing gear.
Deploying gear.
Landing gear deployed.
You'll see now the image of the ship and a blue mark below it. When everything is blue, it's lined up like that. It's lined up. I can come down now. You might need, I'll just move around a bit, and you see sometimes it doesn't take much to change it from landable area to non-landable. But when everything is blue and you've got a straight line just above it, just go down. Make sure your landing overrides have a vertical thrust. And
Permission to
come
deploy
down
the
firmly
XRV.
and you land it. Right, system map. System map.
System cartography.
I want to find out why I can't land on Watson Holdings. Huh? Watson Holdings. I should have been able to land there, so something's happening. Trade data, can't trade. Huh, that's interesting. But there we go. That's beside the point. That's how to land on a planet. Usually how to land on a station on that planet. But for some reason it's not talking to me. That'll do, guys. Let's hope it's helped. Cheers and beers.